This segment is sponsored by DC Medicaid. DC Medicaid is a healthcare program that pays for medical services for those that qualify.
And here to break everything down for us is Melissa Bird. She's the Senior Deputy Director and Medicaid Director at the Department of Healthcare Finance. Welcome to Great Day.
Thank you so much. Good morning.
Okay, so what exactly is Medicaid renewal? How does that benefit the
Sure. So Medicaid is when someone gets their health insurance coverage through the district, and folks may be on the Medicaid program because of their income or their age or a health condition. And normally we check someone's eligibility for Medicaid every year. When the COVID emergency hit, we stopped checking eligibility. We wanted to make sure people had health insurance coverage, had access to COVID testing, COVID treatment, and anything else they might need during that time. But starting this past April, what we call that continuous coverage has ended. And now we're going back to checking that eligibility on an annual basis, and that's what Medicaid renewal is.
Okay. Is that what the redetermination is? So what is the redetermination? How do the beneficiaries are expected, what are they expected to provide to continue?
So redetermination is just simply our process for checking whether you're still eligible and meet our requirements for the program. And so if someone is ready to renew right now, like it's their time to renew, as soon as they get their renewal request in the mail, they need to respond to it and submit it and complete it as soon as possible. But there's still things folks can do if it's not their time to renew yet. So this renewal process is going on from now through next June. It's a full 14-month period. So if you don't have your renewal time yet, you can go to districtdirect.dc.gov. You can create your online account. This is something we didn't have before the pandemic, so folks can access their benefits online. And you can also call 202-727-5355 and go ahead and update your contact information. A lot of folks have moved in the past 3 years. It's really important we know your address, so when it is time to get your renewal form, we send it to the right place.
Right.
So it obviously it's up to a lot of the beneficiaries to keep that information updated so you can contact them. How else are you informing them of what about their renewal?
Sure. So we're doing what we always do plus more this go around since it's been so long. So federally we're required to send a notice by mail, so folks get at least 60 to 90 days before they need to do something, before their coverage ends. They're going to get a notice by mail. But we know mail doesn't always get there. If it does get home, you don't always open it and track it, right? So we are text messaging, we are calling all of our beneficiaries. We're doing things like this morning, trying to get the word out to the community. We're joining health fairs, other citywide events. We have tables set up. We have bus ads, other media, and so forth. And then I'm also, we're really asking folks, so many folks in the district have Medicaid coverage, almost half of all residents. So it's likely that if you're hearing about this today, you know someone who may be on Medicaid or yourself may be on Medicaid. So make sure you're telling your family, your friends, your neighbors. I think that's one of the most important things that we can all do is just getting that word out that this is something to look forward to.
If they've missed whatever came in the mail or the phone call, can they proactively go somewhere and see if they're qualifying anymore?
Of course.
Okay.
So just so folks know, when you get that notice in the mail, if you get it, it does have a green line under the return address, so that's kind of how we're highlighting it. But you can go to districtdirect.dc.gov or call us at 202-727-5355 and learn your status and if there's something you need to do right now.
Okay.
Well, thank you for coming on here, and hopefully we're helping get that word out. We
Certainly.
want everybody to take advantage of that. We appreciate it so much.
Thank you so much.
Everything. And for more information, once again, on DC's Medicaid program, for you or someone you know, you can go to districtdirect.dc.gov, or you can call, and again, that number is 202-727-5355.